How to fix Facebook application not working on your device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the Facebook related issue, that is, if it's not working properly whenever you try to log in, you automatically get redirected to your home page. So it might be occurring because of the issue or box being present on your current Facebook account. So you just have to first thing just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for Facebook application itself, and make sure you have updated your application to its latest version. So as you can see, I have updated it already. So in your case there might be a lot of pending updates, so you can basically view it from your profile icon at the top right corner of your Play Store and simply tap on this manage apps and devices and select this updates available. So you can basically check out the updates from over here as well for every application you need the update to. And once you successfully update the application, just try restarting the Facebook application and it will work successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.